Good morning, still Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your summary of today's USDA production and WASDE reports. Right now, prices we're down about 5 to 6 cents in the corn, just a penny or so above session lows. Wheat prices are also off about 4 to 5 cents, actually have just coming off the session lows and trying to hold on to some slight gains here in the soybean complex, currently up about a penny. Both products are up a little bit as well. Bean oil up about 35 to 40 points. Let's take a look at what the USDA told us in corn. They did raise corn production 39 million bushels to 15.186 billion. That was about 30 million above expectations. Yields a record at 183.6, up from 183.1 last month. Old crop carryout was cut 55 million bushels to 1.812 billion. That is as a result of higher exports by 40 million, and ethanol was also raised 15 million bushels. So a slightly bigger increase in demand, slightly lower on the stocks than what the market was expecting. But with the higher production and the higher new crop carryout levels, that seems to be winning out at the moment. New crop ending stocks, they were actually down 16 million bushels to 2.057, but that was 50 million above the average trade gas. Globally, no big changes there, and neither new crop was down 2 million metric tons to 308.4. That was in line with expectations. On the soy side, production was cut 3 million bushels to 4,586 million, and that was down 23 from what the expectations were. Yields were pretty much the same at 53.2. Old crop carryout, that was cut 5 million bushels to 340 million as a result of higher crush, in line with expectations there. New crop carryout, that was cut 10 million bushels to 550, and the market was bracing for about a 25 million bushel increase. So ending stocks there were well below expectations. Globally, no change on old crop. New crop 134.6. That was up a little bit, but in line with expectations. On the wheat, no changes to the balance sheet. Ending stocks were left at 828 million bushels. We were expecting a little bit of a boost on the exports. Obviously, the USDA felt no need to change that this month. Looking at some of these state-by-state yields in the soybeans, we saw a 1 bushel decline in Illinois, up a bushel per acre in Indiana, up 2 in Iowa, up 3 in Louisiana, down 3 in Kentucky, and the biggest loss was a 4 bushel per acre cut to yields in Ohio. On the corn side, a lot of states were changed by 3 bushels an acre. Illinois and Indiana both down 3. Iowa and Kansas were both up 3. Louisiana was raised 6 bushels per acre, and they're pretty much all done with their harvest, so it should be a pretty good accurate count on that. Biggest decline was in Tennessee, with yields there were slashed 7 bushels an acre to 153. I think other noted changes in the global balance sheet, we did see a 4 million metric ton cut to the EU wheat production down to 124, pretty consistent with a lot of the other private estimates we're seeing. And also on the bean oil balance sheet, they did raise the amount of usage for the production of biofuels by 100 million pounds, back up to 13 billion. That after cutting it by the same amount just last month. So I think we're seeing usage finish strong there to end the 23-24 marketing year with an expansion of renewable diesel production capacity. So we'll see how things shake up today, if we're able to recover back above $4 or not in this D corn. And as of now, back to focusing on finishing weather here and yields off the combine, while continuing to watch global weather and the demand trends. So thanks for listening, everyone. Have a wonderful day.